Getting this bad boy ready for the market. This gonna be one of those sold as is. You like, you buy. You finish it up from there. But we gonna have it cleaned up today. Do a little brief overview. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath bungalow, Auburn Gresham. All right. Sold as is, where is. Seller may, however, do lender required repairs. It's solid though. He bought it through FHA financing a couple years ago, about 2 years to be exact. So it shouldn't be any issues with getting FHA financing on it. So this is it. 2-car garage, fenced yard, under $200,000. Down payment assistance available. Holler at your boy. Let's make it happen.